How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to fix shoulder tendinitis. So what is shoulder tendinitis? Before I begin though, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. If you're also interested in online personal training or buying some cool fitness workout products on Amazon, check out my description box. I have a ton of different products. They're amazing, extremely cheap. The resistance bands package are on there. I highly recommend you guys take a look at it if you're looking to fix your shoulder tendinitis. So let's begin. How do you fix shoulder tendinitis? So what is shoulder tendinitis? They are inflamed / torn tendons, you guys. That's what shoulder tendinitis is. Now, how do you get shoulder tendinitis? It's repetition of form injury, you guys. So basically what that means is over time you keep injuring yourself over and over again using your shoulder in the wrong way. A great example of this would be people doing the upright barbell row. Extremely horrible movement. A lot of bodybuilding people do it. Having weight in the front of your shoulder internally rotating will cause awful impingement in your shoulders, so it can lead to shoulder tendinitis as well. But basically it's from doing wrong procedures, wrong form, wrong stuff using your shoulder, creates micro tears. That's how you get it. Also, you get shoulder tendinitis when your shoulders round forward. Now, the reason for this is because of basically we're a society that sits at our computers all day. So what happens is your shoulders roll forward, you now have bad posture. Now, in order to fix this, what you need to do is you need to realign your shoulders, you guys. So you need to set your shoulders back and down. Well, how do you guys do that? Because people don't know how to do that. Well, the one thing you should do is if you're working out, stop doing endless amounts of shoulder exercises, chest exercises. What happens is this is going to push your chest forward, and if you're not doing the correct amount of pulling exercises, you will get that rounded over shoulder. I know a few people that all they do in the gym is bench, bench, bench. Well, guess what? My shoulders are back like this because I train properly. Theirs are like this, and I'm not kidding you guys. That's how they are. They're like this. If you want good posture, you need to train both your pushing and your pulling exercises. But you guys came here because you guys want to know how to fix it. So I'm going to show you guys. You guys want to use a resistance band. Now again, I have them on my description box in Amazon. I'm really not trying to promote anything. I bought these. They're freaking phenomenal. I want to help you guys out. They're very cheap. If you guys go anywhere else, I don't think you will find a better price. These are crazy cheap. They work. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, I think, 5 of them. So here's what you want to do. Using a band, you're going to want to use an underhand grip. Now what you're going to want to do is externally rotate your shoulders. So what that means is, again, that's externally, that's internally rotation. This is 90, this is normal, internally, externally, then you got abduction, adduction, then you got forward flexion, forward extension, and then you also have abduction of the transverse plane, adduction of the transverse plane as well. So those are the four shoulder joint movements. Now what you're going to want to do is use a band, underhand grip, now externally rotate. So like this, but we're not done. Now you want to extend the elbows. What this is going to do, you're going to feel a stretch in your back. You guys can watch when I do it. I got pretty good back development, you guys can see. So again, externally rotate, push your shoulders back. Now externally rotate, extend the elbows. Externally rotate, extend the elbows. Externally rotate, extend the elbows. This exercise is phenomenal. I have helped people in the past with shoulder tendinitis. I swear by this exercise. A lot of people recommend it too. I'm not the only person. That is what I recommend. It will help you guys out. Some other things I will recommend is massage your front and side delt. Now what this is going to do is this is going to help realign the muscle fibers, which will eliminate the inflammation. So again, what we're doing is we're just trying to create some blood flow, you guys. Work the shoulder, work the side delt. And again, when we do this, it's not a 2-minute process. It's not something you do for a couple of days and you quit. Do these exercises 3, 4 weeks, 6 weeks. Really do the exercises, really get the repetitions in, you guys. Learn how to do them properly. Allow yourself to fix your shoulder tendinitis. This will help. Trust me on this, you guys. This resistance band is king for a lot of the shoulder tendonitis, a lot of elbow problems. Resistance bands, extremely important in my opinion. Massagers too. I have massagers in my description box if you guys are looking for them. The reason why I put these products in there is because I keep getting a ton of comments from people, questions. People are like, where do you get this? Where do you get this? Where do you buy this? You guys can now find everything in my description box. I use 95% of the products. I put a couple in there that I don't just because I am in the process of buying them. I just haven't got around to it. So yeah, again, this one, externally rotate your shoulders, extend the elbows. People are going to want to know repetitions, how many times to do them a day. In my opinion, I would do higher repetitions. Do about 15, 20 repetitions, and I would do a couple of sets of this. Again, don't hurt yourself, don't overuse it, just get in the right amount. And again, don't try to be a superhero on this. I'm using 2 pounds. That's right, I'm a pretty big guy, you guys, pretty strong. I'm using 2 pounds. Doesn't have to use a lot of weight. Again, we're trying to fix shoulder tendonitis. So I've talked long enough. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it, have a look at my description box for some products. Thanks.